The Xiaomi 13 Pro global price has been leaked online ahead of the launch. This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new video of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Aman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. Xiaomi is all set to launch its next generation flagship, the Xiaomi 13 Pro, globally and in India on February 26th. But ahead of the official launch, the global price of the Xiaomi 13 series has leaked online. So according to a tipster, the Xiaomi 13 Pro could cost 1299 euros, which is roughly 1,06,000 rupees. And note that this could likely be the price of the top trim variant. I don't think that the price of the 13 Pro would start at 1299 euros. So there's that. Now, apart from this, Xiaomi is also expected to launch the Xiaomi 13, the vanilla variant, and the Xiaomi 13 Lite. And both of these could start at 999 euros and 499 euros, which is roughly 88,000 rupees and 44,000 rupees respectively. So, of course, the pricing of all the three phones is definitely on the higher side, but when these phones do launch in India, like officially, expect the prices to be relatively affordable than the European prices, since the phones do come at a much lower price in China. So last week only we were talking about Meta Blue Badge subscription service, like the company is testing it, and while there was also an uncertainty to the situation whether this service will go live or not, well, after Twitter, here we are. Meta Verified is now live. Now, of course, one of the biggest advantages if you get Meta Verified right now is that you get the blue badge, the coveted blue badge right next to your Instagram and Facebook profile, right next to your name. You get this blue tick. But in my personal opinion, more than the benefits that this blue tick brings to the table, I think this is more of a status symbol for people. They just want to pay for it and get this, fancy status symbol on their profile. So doesn't make a lot of sense to me. What's your take on the situation? Now, as I said, the testing is on. The service is currently under testing in New Zealand and Australia. It has been priced at about $12 if you are getting it via the web. But you'll have to pay about $15 if you use an iPhone, if you're getting the service on your iPhone. Now, of course, whenever the service launches in India officially, expect the pricing to be adjusted according to the local pay parity, of course, to appeal to a wider audience. WhatsApp has finally rolled out the much awaited picture-in-picture mode feature for WhatsApp on iPhone. Now, of course, with the latest version of WhatsApp, if you update to 23.3.77 on your iPhone, that's the WhatsApp version, WhatsApp latest update, you will be able to use picture-in-picture mode on WhatsApp, which means like whenever you make a video call, you'll be able to seamlessly multitask while being on the video call, and your video call will now not be paused. So of course, the feature, the picture-in-picture mode has been available for Android users for quite some time now, but for iPhone users, well, the service has been under testing since December of last year. And now that we are finally getting the WhatsApp picture-in-picture mode for iPhone, like right now, I think this is great. Rejoice. Vivo has just launched a brand new 5G phone for the offline Indian market, and the pricing has been set for under 20,000 rupees, and the phone is dubbed the Vivo Y56. Now, some of the key highlights of this phone includes a Dimensity 700 processor under the hood. Now, this is coupled with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Note that this is the only variant that's available on offer. Other highlights include a 5000 mAh battery under the hood, 18-watt charging, a Full HD Plus LCD display, a 50 megapixel dual rear camera system, and the color options include black and orange. Now, the exact pricing of this phone is set at 19,999 rupees, and the phone is already available for purchase at all leading offline stores. The Google Pixel 6a has once again come under 30,000 rupees in India. So currently, Google is selling the Pixel 6a smartphone at 29,999 rupees on Flipkart. But if you have an HDFC card, you can get a further 1,000 rupees off, and the final price of this phone that way becomes 28,999 rupees. But that's not all, since there's an exchange offer on the phone. Like if you have an eligible smartphone to exchange, then you can bag a further discount of 21,000 rupees. And for this kind of money, again, time and again we have said that the Pixel 6a is one of the best camera phones that you can get on the market right now, and it doesn't even cost like as much as a flagship, but the camera performance is like flagship grade. Plus, I think the phone looks good, the design and build is great, And software experience wise, you get clean stock Android, and of course you get 3 years of Android OS updates, security patches. So for a phone for under 30,000 rupees, I think nothing gets better than the Google Pixel 6a. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's video? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.